In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an animated counter to your Squarespace website using Elfsight. This is a great way to visually display numerical data like the number of blog posts, product sales, or even social media followers in a dynamic and engaging way. Let's dive right into the process. We begin our journey on Elfsight, which is a fantastic platform providing a wide variety of customizable widgets. First, you'll need to create an account or log in if you already have one. Once you're in, search for the animated counter widget. This tool is incredibly versatile and can be tailored exactly to your aesthetic and functional needs. You'll be taken into a view where you can see the default widget setup. From here, you can start customizing your counter to fit the look and feel of your own site. Consider aspects like colors, fonts, and sizes to ensure it aligns well with your existing branding. Spend some time here to make sure it really represents what you want to show on your site. After you've configured the counter to your liking, Elfsight will provide you with an embed code. This code is crucial because it's what you'll use to integrate the widget into your website. Now, let's head over to Squarespace. Open your Squarespace account and navigate to the target page where you want the animated counter displayed. Once you're on the page, look for the Edit button. It's usually pretty easy to spot and often located at the top right corner of the page area. Click on Edit to enter the editing mode. This is where you can make changes and add new elements to your page. Once in editing mode, you'll want to add a code block. To do this, click on the small plus sign or the Add Block option that appears. From the list of block types, select Code. This will open up a blank field where you can enter custom code, which is exactly what you need for our next step. Go back to the embed code you copied from Elfsight and paste it into the code block field in Squarespace. It's important to ensure that the code is copied correctly, as any errors might prevent the counter from displaying as expected. After pasting the code, take a moment to double check that everything looks good and then save your changes. You should see the Save or Apply button at the bottom of your page. Click it to save your work. Finally, let's see the results. View your live site to ensure that the animated counter appears as intended. Simply go to your website as a visitor would, navigate to the page where you added the counter, and voila, there it should be, counting away. If it's not showing up, head back and double check the code block to ensure everything is correct. And there you have it, an animated counter now beautifully integrated into your Squarespace site. Thanks for watching and happy counting.